To the surprise announcement, a grand jury indicts two former Uvalde officers, including the school police chief, Pete Arredondo. These are the first criminal charges filed over the failed response to the Robb Elementary mass shooting on May 24th of 2022. Sydney Persing joins us now with more. Sydney, the charge they face is called injury to a child by omission, which is a third-degree felony.
Yes, and Izzy, there's really no question tonight. These indictments, they are a big deal and certainly something that the families over in Uvalde have fought hard for. But make no mistake, for these families, there is no celebrating tonight. Their hearts are, of course, still broken, and they are still fighting for even more criminal charges to be filed. For 765 long days, the families of the 19 students and 2 teachers killed at Robb Elementary have pushed, pleaded for police to be held accountable for their failures that deadly day.
We have a child on the line. He is in a room full of victims.
Tonight, in a big breaking development, 2 of the officers who waited well over an hour before trying to take out the shooter have been indicted on criminal charges.
It's time.
Former Uvalde CISD Police Chief Pete Arredondo and former Uvalde CISD Police Officer Adrian Gonzalez now facing child endangerment charges per ABC News. Brett Cross's son, Uzziah Garcia, was one of the kids killed.
Their blood is on Pete's hands.
Cross drove all the way to the jail to witness Arredondo's arrival.
Yes, Arredondo should be charged. Adrian Gonzalez should be charged, but there are still 374 other officers that did nothing while our children died, and they're getting to walk scot-free as of right now.
It is not impossible for the other officers to face charges, but it is unlikely right now.
There were about 400 officers in total who responded that day.
Tony Plahetsky, reporter for our sister station in Austin, reporting from Uvalde tonight. He told me the grand jury on this case served a 6-month term, which is set to expire tomorrow.
Their extended investigation has essentially come to a conclusion, and the grand jury, apparently only determining that 2 officers total out of the hundreds were there, should face criminal charges for their conduct.
While 2 is greater than 0, 2 is not good enough for Cross and these parents in deep pain who will never get their babies back, no matter the number of charges.
There were other chiefs there. There were other high-up individuals. And when you see that somebody is not doing anything and there are children literally bleeding out and you don't do anything, like you sit by for 77 minutes knowing that there are children in there dying, this is a good start. But there needs to be more. There needs to be a whole lot more.
It is important to remember that these men have been indicted. They've not been convicted of a crime. If either is eventually convicted, that's up to 2 years in jail. Arredondo, by the way, has already bonded out of jail tonight. Meanwhile, Gonzalez has still not yet surrendered himself. Chris.